how to add a appendix in Overleaf LaTeX, and I will show you exactly how to do this. All right, first of all, we do /use package like this, and then after that we do appendix. Then what we need to do now is let's go to the article, let's say somewhere here, enter, enter, enter. And then from now, what we need to do is /appendix. And then we need also to give it a name. Now, for now, this is fine. And then under here, we do /chapter. And then let's say test 1. And then right now, if you do recompile, we have here a small appendix text. But an appendix is something at the end from a text. So please don't do this in the beginning. It's nice at the end from your journal or your assignment. So this is how you can create an appendix, just to show you an example. But I can recommend you to do this at the end after your journal is done. So this is exactly how you can create an appendix. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.